Another observation coming out of the just concluded international football break. The recent trend continues where the Reggae Boyz perform better away from home than they do at the office. In this window, we played lowly ranked Cuba at home in that now notorious 0-0 draw for 1 point. Then we went into the Lions' Den in Honduras, beat them, and ran away with the 3 points. Go back to the Canada games in the quarterfinal of the Nations League. First game in Jamaica, 2-1 defeat. Away game in Canada, 3-2 victory for Jamaica. We advanced on goal difference. Even the recent World Cup qualifiers, 3/4 way through the qualifiers, we did not win a single game in Jamaica. So it is strange but clear that the current Reggae Boyz play better away from home. I think mainly because the core of the team comprise foreign-born and based players. So the national stadium and Jamaica generally are not really home for them. So they are more comfortable playing away from home. No question. Is that a good thing or a bad thing?